What is the primary defining characteristic of non-ferrous metals? Option C. They do not contain an iron. Why are most non-ferrous metals not attracted to magnets? Option B. Because they lack iron content. Which of the following is an advantage of non-ferrous metal regarding environmental exposure? Option C. They do not rust when exposed to moisture. Which of these is not listed as an example for non-ferrous metal? Option D. Still, what is a notable physical property of aluminum? Option D. It is very light in weight. Aluminum can be polished to achieve what kind of appearance? Option C. Rust, rusty red. Which application is common for aluminum due to its property? Option B. Domestic cooking utensils. What color is copper typically described as? Option D. Red or brown. Copper is highly valuable in the electrical industry because option C, it is very good conductor of electricity. Which of these is a typically application for copper? Option B, electric wires. What is a primary characteristic of zinc? Option C, it is very weak metal. Zinc is primarily used for what purpose regarding other metals? Option D, as a coating or to prevent corrosion. The process of coating iron or steel with zinc is known as option B, galvanization. Which item is commonly coated with zinc? Option C, steel buckets. What are the mechanical property of tin? Option C, very ductile and malleable. What is the appearance of tin? Option C, brittle, bright silver. Tin is frequently used as a coating for which of the following? Option C, food cans. What is a common use of tin in electronics and joining? Option A, soldering. Lead is classified as what type of metal? Option B, heavy metal. What color is lead immediately after being freshly cut? Option C, bluish white. What does lead turn into a dull grayish color? Option D, when exposed to air. Which application utilize lead abilities to block radiation? Option B, X-ray protection. Beside X-ray protection, what is another common application for lead? Option B, batteries. Which non-ferrous metal is described as having magnetic properties? Option C, nickel. What is a negative health property of nickel? Option C, it is toxic and harmful to life. Nickel is a good conductor of option B, heat and electricity. In which industry is nickel used due to its ability to resist corrosion at high temperature? Option C, gas turbines and rocket engines. Which everyday item is often made using nickel? Option D, coins. What is the special characteristic of titanium? Option D, high tensile strength to density ratio. What is a property of titanium regarding temperature? Option C, ability to withstand moderately high temperatures without creeping. What color is titanium? Option B, silvery white. Titanium alloys are used in which sector due to their strength and lightweight? Option A, aircraft and spacecraft. Why do tanker trucks carrying sodium hypochlorite use titanium? Option A, because of its resistance to corrosion and strength. Which of the following metals is used for armor plating? Option C, titanium. Which metal is often used to make ladders and windows frames? Option A, aluminum. What is the appearance of aluminum? Option B, light in color. Which metals is used as a coating on screws? Option A, zinc. Which non-ferrous metal is described as having a bluish white color that is transes? Option D, lead. Nickel is used in rocket engine primarily because option D, it resists corrosion at high temperature. Copper is often used for tubes and hooks. This is based on its option C, conductivity and physical properties. Which metal is used for root flashing? Option D, leads. What metal is used for beer cans? Option A, tin. Is aluminum magnetized? Option C, no, because it has no iron. Which metal is most likely to be used for vessels and thin foils? Option D, tin. Which metal is described as silver white and hard? Option D, nickel. Aluminum is used in expensive vehicles mainly due to its lightweight. Which metal is used in missiles? Option A, titanium. What is the key property shared by all non-ferrous metal mentioned? Option C, they do not rust when exposed to moisture. Which metal toxic nature is noted alongside its use in gas turbines? Option A, nickel. Thank you.